Hello everyone, just figured I would post a video update on my 70 GTO, and anybody who might be watching or interested in seeing the progress, there it is. Have gotten a lot done. Sad to say that I really thought I'd be driving it by now, but that's not the case. Although the motor, trans, driveline are all in it, still doesn't have the radiator yet, and there's some wiring that's I'm just not comfortable doing, so I'm gonna take that to a shop, and they can't get it in until after the beginning of the year. Hood's off to put the engine in, but I also had my hood hinges redone. It's about $300, and I highly recommend doing that. My hood was not fitting great at all, so that was pretty nice. Redid all the wheels, and I think those came out really nice. Actually found the video on YouTube, and time consuming but worth it, and it's not that expensive. Got the trim on, got the mirror on. One little cautionary tale. I got this back from the body shop and was really excited to pick it up, and made the rookie mistake of not going over it completely when I was picking it up. There were just some things that I think they, to be honest, kind of half-assed, and I should have caught them. This door, the driver's door, really sticks, and you shut it, and it doesn't shut like it should, and it wasn't doing that when I dropped it off. They left a ton of bolts off. The bolts for the inner fender were not there, and I had to do all that. And then there was just a lot of, they couldn't make things fit right. They just kind of shoved shims in there, and they used a whole bunch of just regular bolts, and that was pretty aggravating considering I gave them a whole kit for the front end of this. But they had these bolts in upside down, and when that didn't fit, they just shoved shims in there. So little stuff like that. That's why if you look at the bumper doesn't quite fit, because when I took all that stuff off, it moved around a little bit, so I'm gonna have to get that addressed. But you know, like I said, if you want to learn something from my mistake, I'd say when you're picking your car up, go over it and look at it. It is kind of dirty, but and then so here's the interior. I am really happy with this. Seats were all recovered, dash is in, but it's not wired up. I sent my radio out about November of last year to get redone, and they are so far behind, I still haven't gotten that back. But everything else was really looking nice. So the back seat is out. I took that out because I'm gonna have to remove the whole back seat, because when I was redoing the trunk, I, against my better judgment, put my old lock assembly in there, and now it won't open. So I have to go through the back and open up the trunk and replace the lock assembly. Bumpers on, like that. I do need to put the rear balance back on there, and there's my exhaust system. There's the hood. So yeah, all in all, I mean, there's progress, but like I said, I was hoping to be driving it. Just taking a little bit longer than I thought. Just either had a part missing or something was wrong, or I couldn't get a hold of something I needed, and it's just been a little bit more of a delay than I thought. But that's it. Hopefully I'll be posting a video driving it, starting it up, tearing up the road in it soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.